Hi guys, it's Jeanet and welcome back to my channel. Also if you're new here, I post new fashion, lifestyle and travel videos every week. And today I am actually going to be showing you the finale to my minimalizing series. So today I'm going to be covering my closet clean out, and then I'm going to give you like a mini room tour to show you a before and after of my room, because there were some major changes that I'm very excited for you to see. So I hope you enjoy it, and without further ado, let's get into it. I started out by taking everything out of my closet and getting rid of the handbags that I know I don't use anymore. Next I moved on to the scarves. Out of these 6 I gave these 3 away. But in terms of these ones, I unfortunately didn't give anything away. Then I also wanted to sort out my sweaters, since after counting all of them, I found that I had 30 sweaters, which is absolutely ridiculous. Clearly, if I ever thought that I didn't have enough grey in my closet, I was sorely mistaken. Out of the 30, I gave away 7 of them. And even though it's not as much as I would have hoped, I'm still glad that I could give them away. Okay guys, that was my closet clean out and room tour. I am so excited about my new bookcase. It is everything that I hoped for, and it is actually something that my dad made for me, so it is just a dream come true. And I am so excited that I got to share this with you, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!